Hey, what is up, my YouTube nerds? It's your coding bro here, Mondo Man Codes, bringing you part 2 of my intro programming in C and C++. What I will be going over will be Cin and double variables, and at the very end we will be making a short program that converts the user's entered Fahrenheit to its respected Celsius degrees. Now, just open up your Visual Studio 2019. Let's go to create new project, console, like last time. Let's just name it. Let's just go with the default console application 2. Create. Wait for it to compile and create all the files we need. There we go. Loading. Sorry for the late upload. I was studying for one of my exams tomorrow, but next week it should be regular hours around 5 to 7 would be my next upload. Okay, so hashtag include IOStream like before, using namespace std to clear this out. Alright, so last time we talked about how we can use cout for multiple uses. Let's do cout enter a number you would, oh, sorry, would like to square, and then backspace n brings us down to the second line. Let's do double number. Okay, and then our cn, take that, store it in the number, and then we do number times equals number, which this pretty much does the exact same thing as number. Number equals number times number. Pretty much just times equals tells us to just multiply what we get from the numbers up here with itself, technically. So let's do cout number, and then the other bracket there to actually add. So number, this is squared number. Okay, everything should look good. Control S to save. Was it Control 5? Yep, Control 5 to start building it. Build succeeded. Enter a number you would like to square. Let's do 12. Yep, 144. This is a new squared number. Press any key to close this window. Close it. So just make it better. Enter a number you would like to square. Control S. Control 5. Let's test it with 12.56, just a number that has decimals. See if it does that. 0.56 times 12.56, and you see how I have 157.754, but on this it has 157.7536. That's just something in our cout. Let me close this. It's just something in our cout that just makes it round to the third spot, the thousandths of the decimal area. Okay, so cout, cin. Well, cin pretty much simple. Just create a variable, either int, string, character, double variable here, and just do a cout saying what you would like the user to enter. And then on cin you just cin and whatever variable you want it to store. Let's try something out real quick. Double Let's do string number, string number name. We do this. And Control S, Control F5. Okay. Now it's giving us some errors. Let's see here. Using uninitialized memory number. Okay, it looks like we're using it, but it's not technically being used. And that's a bit weird. Let me that because this should just bring us. Yeah. Okay. There you go. That was some weird stuff going on. Okay. So string. Let's just say name. Enter your name. Cn has multiple uses. My bad. Cn name. Hello. Name. Whatever name you guys want to say. Hello. Is nice to see you again. Alright. Control S always, just to make sure. Enter your name. Hello, YouTube. Right? It is nice to see you again. So Cn can take in, strings, ints, doubles, pretty much any variable. Not really Boolean, because most of the time the programmer sets if the Boolean is true or false. We can go over that next episode. You guys have any recommendations on what topics you would like me to discuss? I'll try to fit that in. Alright, let's actually do the Fahrenheit one. So Fahrenheit minus Fahrenheit to Celsius. This is the equation I found online. I'm guessing it's correct. Hopefully. Alright, so Fahrenheit minus 32 times 5/9 equals Celsius. Alright, so let's do double Fahrenheit. Temperature is not always a whole number. Let's do cout. Enter the degrees in Fahrenheit. You would like to convert to Celsius. We always do, X. Oh. Enter the degrees in Fahrenheit you'd like to convert to Celsius. Cn Fahrenheit. That should have. Okay, I was about to say what's going on. Okay, so here's one way to do it. Let's do the simple way first. So Fahrenheit. Just for safety wise, let's do double Celsius. Let's give Celsius an actual variable. So Celsius equals Fahrenheit minus 32 times 5/9. Right? Why? It's not is undefined. Oh, hold I misspelled Celsius. My bad. But why is this one? Ah, can't spell today. I am sorry. Sorry about that. See out. This is the converted degrees Celsius. Oh, not seeing Celsius. What is going on with? Alright, there you go. Control S. Okay, so we have two double variables, Fahrenheit, Celsius. C out, which is our intro, saying enter the degrees in Fahrenheit. You would like to convert to Celsius. C in will take that in and place it inside the Fahrenheit double, which then the Celsius will get a value from Fahrenheit minus 32 times 5 over 9, which then at the very end we'll do C out. This is the converted degrees to Celsius, and then I'll just print out what Celsius is. So let's do Control F5. 56.5. That's not seem right. Okay, let's do this then. I minus 32. Okay, 56 minus 45. Well, 56.45 minus 32 is 24.45. Okay. Now let's just do Celsius. Times equal 5 over 9. That's strange. Is it 1.9, 1.66? Yeah, that's what it is. See what that does. For some reason it doesn't like that, so 1.666. Oh, hold on. Sorry about all this here. One more time. Okay, 46.862 Fahrenheit to Celsius. 5. 13 point. Why? Hmm. Five, 32, 5 over 9 times. Is that everything? Hold up. That's strange. Okay. So it's Fahrenheit minus 32 times that by 5, and then divide all of that by 9. That's okay. Apparently I forgot how to convert that. Alright, so Fahrenheit minus 32. Everything inside the parentheses is going to occur first. So Fahrenheit minus 32. Okay, that's going to compute. And then times that by 5. That'll compute. And then at the very end it will be divided by 9. Alright. 6.45. 13.5833. Okay. 20, 48.888. Let's close this. Back to here. 120, 48.8889. Yep. Alright, so apparently it's just Fahrenheit minus 32 times 5, all divided by 9. Alright, so pretty short tutorial here, but it's just, showing you how to use CN with, doubles and string variables. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you could, please provide some feedback. Still second video, so I still have a lot to learn. I'll say that out loud. I'll try to upload one every week around Saturday or Sunday. Like I said earlier in the video, around 5 o'clock, 7 o'clock p.m. Central Standard Time. We'll be further expanding our knowledge on C and C++. Might touch up on, Boolean and all that stuff. Then get to the whole if, while, and for loops, and if else. That should be fun to learn. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button and hit that notification bell to be notified of my future videos. And remember, stay nerdy. Alright.